Welcome back. In the previous video, we learned about isosceles triangles and we started solving this question. For this particular isosceles triangle, we have the height as 8 centimeters and the base as 10 centimeters. We considered the first part of the question, that is finding the area of the triangle. With the height as 8 centimeters and the base as 10 centimeters, we were able to find the area and we got 40 centimeters squared. We are going to continue with the B and C parts, that is finding the length of the sides and perimeter of the triangle. So let's consider the length of the sides. We learned in the previous video that AB is the base of the triangle. So from A to B, which is 10 centimeters, is the base of this triangle. We also learned that the perpendicular distance from this point here, point C, to meet the line AB is the height of the triangle. So this line here, which is 8 centimeters, is the height of the triangle. We've learned that for isosceles triangles, two sides of the triangle are equal. So in this question here, we have the base as AB, and we have that is giving us 10 centimeters. The two remaining sides are AC and BC. So for this triangle, the side AC is equal to the side BC. So from A to C is equal to from B to C. So all the question wants us to find is to find the length AC and the length BC. But since they are equal, we are going to find one of them, because if you find AC, it's the same as BC. So what we are saying is that for this particular isosceles triangle, from A to C is the same as from B to C, and we are using these lines to indicate that. Okay, we also learned in the previous video that for isosceles triangles, if we draw a line from this point here, point C, to meet the line AB, that is the height, where they meet, I'm going to call this point here point D, where the line from C meets the line AB. Okay, it meets it at point D. That is what I'm choosing to call it. Because this is a perpendicular line, it's going to divide AB into two equal parts. And AB is 10 centimeters. That means that from A to D is half of 10 centimeters, and from D to B is also half of 10 centimeters. Half of 10 centimeters is 5 centimeters, which means that from A to D is 5 centimeters, and from D to B is also 5 centimeters. So for isosceles triangles, if you draw a line from this point here to meet the base, which I'm going to call that point here point D, AD will be half of the base and DB is also half of the base. So the base is 10 centimeters and half of 10 centimeters is 5 centimeters. Now, if you look at this very carefully, you can see that ADC is forming a right-angled triangle. So if you take ADC, we are forming a right-angled triangle with the base as 5 centimeters and the height as 8 centimeters. Now we want AC, which is a side of the triangle. We have AD and we have DC. We want AC, which is the hypotenuse. We can use the Pythagoras Theorem. As I said at the beginning of the videos on mensuration, we are going to apply the Pythagoras Theorem a lot. So we are going to use the Pythagoras Theorem to find AC, since this is a right-angled triangle. So if we apply the Pythagoras Theorem here, we can say that the length of the square of the length of the hypotenuse. So here the hypotenuse is AC. That is the hypotenuse squared is equal to AD squared plus DC squared. We are looking for AC. So AC squared is equal to AD is 5 centimeters, so 5 squared, plus DC is 8 centimeters, so 8 squared. And this is going to give us AC squared is equal to 89 We take square root of both sides, and AC is giving us 9.4 centimeters. That means that from A to C is 9.4 centimeters. But since this is an isosceles triangle, if AC is 9 centimeters, then BC is also 9 centimeters since the sides are the same. So from A to C is the same as from B to C. So if AC is 9 centimeters, then BC is also 9 centimeters. So we can say that the sides of the triangle are 9.4 centimeters long. So here we had 9.4 centimeters, not 9 centimeters. So if AC is 9.4 centimeters, then BC is also 9.4 centimeters. So the sides of the triangle are 9.4 centimeters long. Okay, so now we have the base, which is AB, as 10 centimeters. We have the sides as 9.4 centimeters. So the side AC is 9.4 centimeters, and the side BC is also 9.4 centimeters. The perimeter of this triangle is the total distance around the triangle. So it means that here we are not going to include the height. We are looking for the distance around the triangle, which is AB plus AC plus BC. And this is going to give us 10 centimeters plus 9.4 centimeters plus 9.4 centimeters, which will give us 28.8 centimeters. So the perimeter of this triangle is 28.8 centimeters. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on finding the area and perimeter of an isosceles triangle. Bye-bye.